What if you never had to post on social media ever again and your Shopify store still made sales? Sounds pretty unbelievable, right? Now, I thought the same thing until I saw this tiny brand absolutely blowing up online. You see, their customers were actually posting for them. I saw micro influencers tagging them all across my feeds. It felt like random people were just making videos about their product everywhere I looked. But do you want to know what made this really crazy? They weren't paying for shoutouts, and they were most definitely not running any ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it and how to get hundreds of people selling your products for you, why it works even if you're not a big brand, and the exact app I personally use that automates this whole thing. And stick with me till the end because there's one part of this strategy that most beginners skip. And it's honestly the difference between getting 5 people promoting your store versus getting 500. All right, so here's something most Shopify store owners completely miss when trying to promote their Shopify store. They jump straight into posting more, running more ads, and trying to go viral. But they never stop and ask the simplest question. What if the people who already love my products could do the selling for me? Now, let me paint you a picture. There are 2 types of Shopify store owners right now. Group 1, I call these people the hustle crew. They are posting daily, boosting posts, and just trying to do everything they can to make these social media algorithms happy. And then there is group 2. This is the work smarter, not harder group. These store owners leverage customers, creators, and micro influencers to promote their store, and most of the time these people do it without even being asked. Orders come in even when these owners are sleeping. So here is the major difference. Group 2 understands one simple thing. They know how affiliate marketing actually works and how super simple it becomes once you set everything up correctly. And once you get this part, everything else in this video starts clicking into place. Now, here's why this matters so much. If you don't understand the basic foundation of affiliate marketing, you'll pick the wrong tools, attract the wrong people, and create a system nobody wants to use. And you'll feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing is working. But when you do understand it, suddenly you have a small army sending traffic to your Shopify store every single day. You stop relying on luck, you stop relying on the algorithm, and you will get sales even when you're doing absolutely nothing. This is why affiliate marketing is so powerful for beginners. It gives you leverage you don't currently have. So here's the simplest way to think about affiliate marketing. You give someone a special link, they share it, someone buys through that link, they get a commission, and that's really it. It's literally word of mouth, but amplified. So I want you to think about it like this. You have a loyal customer who always buys from you. That can be an affiliate. You have a cousin that just really loves your brand. That can be an affiliate too. You have a friend who posted your product on their story. And yes, that can be an affiliate as well. Literally anybody who likes your product can become a mini salesperson for your brand. And the best part, you only pay them after you get paid. This is why small stores are suddenly blowing up. They're not doing more, they're just letting other people help them grow their business. Okay, so now that you get the foundation, let me show you the part that changed everything for me. Now, what I'm about to say might catch you off guard, because when you're new to affiliate marketing, it's really easy to think all these apps work exactly the same. Well, I'm here to tell you that they don't, and unfortunately, I found out the hard way. So let me make this simple, because understanding this one concept would save you hours of frustration. There are really 2 types of affiliate apps on Shopify. Type 1 are apps that look nice, but turns affiliate marketing into literally a part-time job. Type 2 are apps that automate everything for you and makes your affiliate marketing program feel like it's running itself. It's honestly the difference between feeling like you hired a team versus feeling like you became the whole team yourself. Now, let me show you what I mean. Imagine opening your Shopify dashboard, and instead of focusing on new products, marketing or growing your store, you're stuck doing stuff like checking which affiliate link belongs to who, chasing people down to pay them correctly, answering "is my link working" emails, and trying to figure out which sale came from which person, trying to fix broken tracking. It will feel like you hired yourself for a job you never wanted. And here's a part nobody tells you. If your system is confusing for you, it's 10x more confusing for your affiliates. And a confused affiliate doesn't promote, they just stop, which means you lose sales you never even had a chance to earn. But if you choose the right app, your affiliate program becomes what I call a set and grow system. Not set and forget, set and grow. Because your affiliate marketing system runs while you watch the results stack up. Now for me, that system is UpPromote. If you're trying to build a successful affiliate program, UpPromote is basically the automatic transmission of affiliate apps. Using any other app would be like driving stick shift uphill in the rain. So here's how simple UpPromote is to use. All you have to do is install the app, create your sign up page, set your commission, and boom, you're live. UpPromote literally automates everything. It will track links and conversions, generates affiliate links, handles payouts. It gives affiliates their own dashboard, recruits new affiliates automatically. So there is no need for crazy spreadsheets, no math or detective work. UpPromote just works. And personally, I didn't realize how much that mattered until things went very, very wrong. Before UpPromote, I tried 3 or 4 different apps. One was confusing, one had broken tracking, one looked like it was coded in like 2003, but this one moment made me say enough is enough. I gave one of my affiliates a simple 15% off code. Everything looked great until I checked my analytics and I saw that the code was getting used way more than usual. So I decided to dig deeper. And I discovered that the code ended up on some random coupon sites. Now here's why that's a nightmare. People were using the code, but the affiliate wasn't doing any work. I was losing profit, my data was all wrong, and basically the affiliate was getting free commissions. I felt like someone broke into my store and started handing out discounts behind my back. That's when I found UpPromote's anti-leak discount. This feature literally stops coupon sites from stealing your codes and makes sure only the real affiliate gets credit. The moment I turned it on, everything got cleaned up. I didn't have to worry about leaked discounts or fake commissions, and my margins pretty much snapped back to normal instantly. That one feature alone made me uninstall every other app. Now, even with the perfect app, most beginners still mess up this next part. They start reaching out to influencers instead of the people who already love them, which is a big mistake. And the difference is simple. If you start with influencers, you'll get ignored or overpay or get trash conversions. But if you start with your customers, your sales jump instantly, your community grows, plus people trust real buyers more anyway. Using this approach is the fastest way to get results. So here is exactly what I did. I added my affiliate signup link everywhere I could. I placed it on my thank you page after somebody ordered. I made sure to add it on my order confirmation emails. I added it on my shipping confirmation emails. And I made sure to include the link on all of my post-purchase flows. All it takes is one timely email and one simple link, and suddenly a customer becomes a promoter of your brand. And thankfully, UpPromote really handles the rest. Now, let me show you how this looks in real life. A customer buys your product, they get their shipping email, they see your affiliate link, they join, they might post a TikTok unboxing of your product because they actually really love your brand. They earn a commission and you get a sale from their content while you are doing something else. Now multiply that by 20, 50, 100. That's the power of starting with customers. Now, this next part changed everything for me, and it's honestly why some affiliates promote your brand one time versus promoting your brand for an entire lifetime. You see, most Shopify store owners treat affiliates like strangers, but Shopify stores that see real growth treat affiliates like insiders. If affiliates feel like they're a part of the brand, they want to tell everybody about it. So here are some things that you can think about offering to your affiliates to help them feel more connected. So the first thing is early access to new products. You can try exclusive merch, shout outs, tiered commissions, leaderboards, and monthly bonuses. These tiny touches can create an engaged community and a sense of belonging. It really turns it from you just pushing people to sell your product to making your affiliates feel like you're building something together. Now, I once created a simple leaderboard to track our top 10 affiliates for the month of December, and the winner would get a free exclusive t-shirt. Now, what I didn't expect was for my affiliate activity to almost double because of this. So I'm here to tell you to never underestimate how far recognition and incentives can go. All right, so now you understand the whole system. What affiliate marketing actually is, how to set it up the right way, and why UpPromote makes it super simple. But here's the thing. Everything we talked about becomes 10x easier once you actually install the app and put it into motion. If you use my link down below, you'll get 20% off your first 3 months, automatically applied, and setting up UpPromote takes less than 15 minutes. And this one system can completely change how your Shopify store gets sales. And if you want me to make a full setup tutorial walking you through everything step by step, just comment the word UpPromote down below. And if you're serious about growing your Shopify store, go watch this video right here.